Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining in. And today, here on my channel, I have a beautiful love letter box to share with you all. This is specially crafted for Valentine's Day, and I would like to share it with you. This is my very new concept of expressing your love. So basically, the box is this kind of, and it has a beautiful opening like this, and there's a window so that you can check out the little embellishments at the back of envelopes inside it. And here I have done some fussy cutting, and I have used this braids for closure, so it opens like this. And this box has basically three envelopes. So this is the how box looks. And okay, so this has three envelopes. One is initiated with the letter I, second is a heart that says love, and the third is you. So it basically I love you. So first letter is this, and I have used a lot of embellishments, that is flowers, cheap boards, die cuts, and many more. The embellishment is my all-time favorite thing, and I have completely used a lot of things to make it more grand and more beautiful. So this is the first one. This letter comes with two cards in it, and at the back side that is a space for messages where I have wrote messages for him, and there is a photograph at the back but that matches 4x6. So each and every envelope has such kind of two tag pages to write messages and for photographs. So this was the first one. Second is love. So it again has two cards in it with messages and photographs at the back side. Then again here comes the third one, that's you, and again there is a space for messages to write and beautiful photographs at the back side. If you notice, I have used a washi tape to add some interest in it, so it won't look very plain. And also this envelopes are made with double-sided paper pack, so when you close, there is a beautiful pattern on your envelope, but when you open, there is not a plain page, so it looks more beautiful. So this is a Valentine's Day special envelope, or I can say letter box for your boyfriend. So I hope you find it very different, and I am sure you're gonna love this. So do let me know in the comment section about this concept of expressing your love and writing letters to your boyfriend or your girlfriend. So this was it for today, and I will be back with another concepts and albums and video tutorials. So if you like this video, do like, share, and let me know in the comment section about this. Thank you.